You see desk tables in homes, schools, and offices every day, but have you ever wondered how they are made?
Stack 'em steady, boys! Got it, coming down!
Protective coating, or paint, is applied to improve durability and appearance. The coated panels move through drying systems to harden the finish. And that's how wooden desk tables are made in modern furniture factories.